2005 to 2015 OKSIWALUX taillights. We're going from a cheaper system to the OKSIWALUX newer, beautiful taillights. So I'll go ahead and show you on the video on the installation step by step and what it looks like at nighttime. Stay tuned. OKSIWALUX sent me these taillights for 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. I just went ahead and unboxed it. As you can see, it's beautifully wrapped to prevent scratches. I'm inspecting all the resistors as well, and I love seeing stuff like these. They're actually sealed, which is what you want to see in taillights. Most companies don't do this, so the corrosion starts and then all of a sudden the taillight would just quit. Everything is pretty much sealed, even to the resistor area. Both of these are like that. Connectors as well has sealer on it, so that's a pretty good sign and a pretty good practice when making taillights and anything lighting. So like I said, I got the taillights out. I'm going to leave the plastic until I mount everything to prevent it from scratching. I'm going to go ahead and swap it and show you what and how to do that, and then post a video of the nighttime. And yeah, let's get to it. 2005 Toyota Tacoma currently has these cheaper LED tails. As you can see everything. We're going to go ahead and replace that with the OKSIWALUX and then show you what that looks like at nighttime. I did back it up already. It's pretty hot here in Kansas, so we're not going to be working outside. It's almost 100 degrees, but we'll go ahead and pretty much take this off and then mount the new one. Going to go ahead and take off two 10mm right here, and the taillight should come out. This truck is pretty much truthfully used. As you can see, it's a little dirty, but the plugs are ready. Everything is still sealed in there. This is the general idea and comparison between a cheaper company compared to OKSIWALUX. So you can see everything is pretty much sealed, nothing exposed like this one. That just really shows the true quality of these taillights. Just comparing the two. And like I said, everything is sealed, so everything looks good, watertight. Like I said, everything is sealed as well here. So that's a pretty good sign that this should work pretty good. Only goes one way. Snap it in. That's pretty much done. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see how they look. Now you might be wondering what this is. This is for the LED. It's the resistors. You never ever want to zip tie these in anything that's plastic or any wiring. These things get pretty hot, so you want this to be sticked on any metal. In this case, I already cleaned a little spot for it. So go ahead and pretty much peel the cover, stick it on, and plug it back in. Another thing that I will mention, this is pretty nice. Like I said, it's all plug and play. So this is plug and play, and also this. That way you don't have to have the taillights held like this, trying to stick it in. This definitely made it a lot easier. So kudos for the company for doing this. This definitely helps a lot right here. This is the LED resistor mounted. So you can see it's just double-sided sticky tape. And again, I'm emphasizing how nice the company did for this particular step. That way you don't have to hold the taillight right here while you try to stick it in. So like I said, A+ for that one. Definitely appreciate them doing that. Before you install the new taillights in, just kind of peel back the plastic tape a little bit. That way everything seats and nothing catches. I will leave this in here until it's fully completed and bolted up. That way it prevents scratches, accidental damage, and things like that. But yeah, keep it in, or some people would just take it off. It comes down to you, but I always leave it like this until it's ready to go and fully completed. This is always the best part about installing anything new for the vehicle, is taking off the cover. So just to show how beautiful these taillights are, I'm definitely impressed. So all smoked out, the LED is barely showing, which I like. Here's the old one. You can definitely tell the difference in how cheap these ones look compared to the new one. All the LEDs are hidden. Let's take off the other one. Beautiful taillights. I can't wait to see them at nighttime, but we are going from this to that.
No?
Go ahead.
Is it on?
Left turn. Right. Middle. Brake. And then reverse.